The ACT government is under fire over a damning report about the state of the territory's elective surgery waiting lists. It says waiting times are not improving despite extra cash from the federal and ACT governments. The opposition has accused the government of deliberately fudging the figures.
The waits for elective surgery are growing, so too are concerns over management of the system. The Auditor-General has found that despite an influx of cash, things aren't getting any better. And even more worrying, the government's own rules for monitoring the system aren't being followed. The Minister admits it's unacceptable.
Don't underestimate how cross I am that this audit has identified problems that it has.
A big concern is the number of people being bumped down from the urgent list without any explanation. The report found downgrades of patients' urgency category, often without documented clinical reasons, raised considerable doubts about the reliability and appropriateness of the clinical classifications for patients on the waiting lists. And unusual movements of patients' priority changes occurred within a short period of time.
The fears that were raised by patients and doctors last year is that it was deliberately done to manipulate the data to make the statistics look better.
The government says it's just a matter of sloppy paperwork.
Decisions have been made which haven't been recorded, so it's not saying that the doctor hasn't approved the reclassification, but they can't prove it because the documentation doesn't exist.
The government says it will act quickly on the 11 recommendations, but the opposition is getting impatient.
Why is it that nearly after 5 years of this minister being in charge of our health system that we're getting such appalling results and it's getting worse?
The Minister is confident another review in 12 months will show an improvement. Anna Morizot, ABC News, Canberra.